Hello students, how are you? We are going to start Unit 5th Yoga Part 5th Yoga for Concentration. Concentration is one's power of focusing or attention on something. During concentration, the mind focuses on the object of concentration and only one thought occupies the mind. The whole energy of the mind becomes concentrated on this one thought. Throughout the process of concentration, the mind and the body should be relaxed and must not be in a state of conflict or disturbance. Some asanas are help improve concentration. First one is Sukhasana, second Tadasana, third Padmasana, fourth Sasankasana. First one Sukhasana. The word Sukhasana came from the two Sanskrit words Sukham and Asan. Sukham, which means comfort, easy, joyful, and Asan signifies posture. Sukhasana is one of the simplest asana or meditation and suitable for all ages. Procedure: sit on the floor erect with legs straight in front of the body. Then bend the right leg and place the foot under the leg thigh. After that, bend the left leg and place the foot under the right thigh. Keep the hands on the knees in Jan Mudra or Chin Mudra. Keep your head, neck and back straight. Close your eyes and relax the whole body. Benefits of Sukhasana. First, Sukhasana improve concentration. Second, it helps in improving body posture. Third, it reduces stress and anxiety. Fourth, it calms the brain. Fifth, it is a good meditation posture. Sixth, it helps in reducing fatigue. Caution: avoid this asana if the individual have hip and knee injuries or if the both inflamed. Second, Tadasana. Procedure: stand up in attention position. Lift your arm upwards. Stretch your hands upwards. Raise your heel and come on your toes. Also, pull up your body up upwards. Regular practice of Tadasana improves balance and strength. Benefits of the Tadasana. First, it helps to increase height of the growing children. Second, by practicing Tadasana regularly, one can develop correct way of standing. Third, it reduces obesity. Fourth, it helps improves the concentration of mind. Caution: first, people prone to low blood pressure, headache should avoid this asana. Second, individuals who suffer from blood circulation problems such as faulty valves should not perform this asana. Third, always consult a yoga expert before doing asana. Fourth, always use a yoga mat or a cushion or a carpet while sitting on the floor. Okay, thanks to all.